geek as fuck, I sort of Hellcat. Booth cat, you smell that. Oops, I done spilled the lean. Oops, I done pot attack. Oops, I think I hit your hoe. I don't know, my bad. We gon' go spit block. Making shit look real bad. Going up on TikTok.
Damn, I got real fans. So I can get a kill, yeah. She didn't even hold my hand. Yeah, that's my favorite song. I just bought the ARP. Baby, it seemed like Keisha Cole. Alright, what's good with y'all? Alright, enough of the fuckery, bruh. What's good with y'all boys, bruh? Let's do a little trade recap. So today, up around $273 on the combine. We need around $726 to pass. Getting close, getting there. I want to pass by tomorrow. I would love to do that. So I'm not gonna force no trades tomorrow. I'm gonna just follow my plans tomorrow. That's the plan for tomorrow. Is fly the. Why am I tired, bro? But yeah, that's the plan for tomorrow, bro. But let's go over this trade from today. So let's start off on a 4-hour, like I always do. Took 2 trades today. One was a loser, one was a winner. Let's walk you through my thought process. All right, going into the morning, I was already bearish. I don't really need to explain why I'm bearish. Like, look at this on the 4-hour leg. We're selling off. All right, so I'm looking for shorts, but I wasn't opposed to longs. We just have a lot of equal highs going into the open, like these equal highs, not equal highs, but internal highs, high, and then we had these data highs that never got traded back into. So I wasn't opposed to the longs, but obviously going into the day, I'm going to follow the order flow, bearish order flow. So going into the open, news came out 8:30. We created the SMT on ES and NASDAQ. All right, I talked about SMT last video. One of my main competencies right now. If a setup doesn't have SMT, I'm probably not going to take it full size. I'll probably half size it just because I want to follow my trading plan. And SMT is very, very, very high probability confluence. So yeah, going into the open, boom, we sweep that high. All right, right off the open, or right before the open, boom, sweep that high, and then we dump. All right, I did not cash this because there really wasn't a 5-minute imbalance here. Like, yeah, I guess you could try to call an order block here or something, but that's not my strategy. I'm just trying to change my strategy. Like, yeah, I could have probably found and convinced myself to get in the shorts because I knew that I wanted to see the market sell off, but I stayed patient and I waited. The first trade was a loser though. I was patient. I did wait. And I'll tell you why it is lost. All right, I'm going to turn my chart executions on now. As you can see, we sold off here. Going into the open, boom, we sell off for like the first 30 minutes of the session. And we create a 15-minute fair value gap here. Created this 15-minute order block. I suck at talking, bro. I'm so sorry. We created a 15-minute fair value gap. And then, boom, 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 boom. We trade down, then we trade up. So right here, I mark out this 5-minute fair value gap that we make. And I wanted to see price react off it. All right, I wanted to see price take these lows. And then I wanted to see my draw get hit right here. Which was, what is this? The 11th was, what? Tuesday? Tuesday's lows here, Tuesday's low of day, and then Monday's low of day were my draws. Liquidity. So I want to see, these were my targets for today. I want to see price go up, go down. All right, so boom, price trades back up into the fair value gap. And then now from there, I scale it down to the 1 minute. I'll tell you right now, this was the mistake for me. I did not get a change in the state of delivery. I entered straight off this inverse. And this is probably not a valid inverse because, it's not really much of an imbalance. This is a long wick. This is a bullish wick. I'm not going to lie. Now looking back at it, I probably shouldn't have took it. I did jump the gun, but I only got stopped out for half size, which allowed me to re-enter. And my rules are 2 trades a day. And if I lose 2 trades in a row, I'm probably just going to hop off. Regardless, 2 trades is really all I'm looking for. So boom, I enter here. Get stopped out immediately, like literally immediately. All right, price comes back up. So after I get stopped out, what I'm thinking after I get stopped out is, okay, are we gonna go higher to take these highs, or are we going to go higher to rebalance into equilibrium and OTE of this range, which is exactly what happens. So boom, I decided that there's a 15-minute fair value gap here. All right, if price wants to go higher, we're gonna need to close above this 15-minute fair value gap, and bro, just look what happens. Like we respect it. So as soon as I see that respect, I drop down, boom, 5-minute time frame. What do we get? Just can go off my screen now. What do we get? An inverse fair value gap. Boom. This is my entry. The inverse fair value gap was my entry on the 5-minute. Boom. Stop below here. Stop was right around. Stop was right above here. And then I was targeting these lows. These lows. I'm not gonna lie, chat. I fucked up my my trimming on this. I got out super early because I was trying something new with a top step trade limit, and it just didn't work. I didn't know that if I put my trade limit to 2, it would actually cut my trade if I took a partial. So that's what happened. I took a partial. It ended up stopping me out the whole position, and I couldn't catch the rest of this. These were my draws. And as you can see, almost catch a 4-to-1 RR. That's unfortunate as fuck, but I can't complain. I probably would have got stopped out a break even regardless, because this is my entry right here, and we did wick it and then come back down. So if I did hold, I probably would have got stopped out a break even anyway. So I ended up taking a little bit partial. It was like a $500 trade, so not bad at all. Again, as soon as I see this, boom, we trade back into this inverse fair value gap. I take my first, I add my first half of my position, and then we come out, we were in drawdown, and then boom, we get this displacement right here, do this candle right here, then I add, boom, add the other half, and then now we see a trail down, boom, boom, boom. This is where I broke even my stop, and then I don't know why it's doing that, but this is where I broke even my stop. Boom, boom, boom. I got out 417, which is right around here. So at the top of this wick, sorry, the bottom of this candle is where I got out for my whole position. And it did trade up. I probably would have got stopped out for break even, but it did offer me another entry, so I could have re-entered. Boom, boom, boom. I actually did take this re-entry on demo, which is basically just an inverse fair value gap setup. Boom, boom, boom. Keep saying boom, boom, boom. Fuck around with me type shit. Yeah, that would have ate as well. But I got locked out of my account after I trimmed my position, which was annoying as fuck. And honestly, maybe it was for the best, because I ended up not seeing this, which was, honestly, it could have been worse. Like, it could have been a lot worse. Like, I could have got actually shaken out for a loss, because I didn't see this SMT get created in the opposite direction. All right, we take the take these lows here, right, on ES, but we don't take them on NQ, which is a bullish signal. This could have gone back up, but obviously price reversed back down. So, you know, I can't really complain. Win's a win. Just journaled it, and then, you know, look for the next opportunity tomorrow. So yeah, just keeping this, I'm keeping this video actually short. So yeah, hope you boys enjoyed the video, or girls, I guess, I don't know, but hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to like, drop a subscription, drop a sub, drop a comment, and join the Discord. We be live trading in there sometimes, so yeah, if you want to chop it up, learn how to trade, maybe you want to get into it, you feel me? I'm in the Discord. Tap in. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. I'm gonna go. I gotta go to school now. So, yep. See y'all in the next one.